Question number 1. Which of the following structure is unique to prokaryotic cells? The right answer is option C, nucleoid. Question number 2. The inner membrane of the mitochondria is folded into structure known as. The right answer is option B, crest. Question number 3. Which part of the cell is the site of lipid and steroid hormone synthesis? The right answer is option B, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 4. Which component of the cell membrane allows it to be selectively permeable? The right answer is option A, phospholipid bilayer. Question number 5. What structure regulates the passage of molecules between the nucleus and the cytoplasm? The right answer is option A, nuclear pores. Question number 6. Which organelle is responsible for producing the majority of the cell's ATP in animal cells? The right answer is option C, mitochondria. Question number 7. The blood mosaic model describes the structure of the. The right answer is option C, cell membrane. Question number 8. In which organelle does the Krebs cycle occur? The right answer is option B, mitochondria. Question number 9. What is the primary component of the cell membrane? The right answer is option C, lipids. Question number 10. Which transport mechanism requires energy? The right answer is option B, active transport. Question number 11. What is the function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum? The right answer is option B, lipid synthesis. Question number 12. What is the stage of cell division where chromosomes condense? The right answer is option A, prophase. Question number 13. Which type of cell division results in 4 daughter cells? The right answer is option B, meiosis. Question number 14. What is the primary function of receptors on the cell surface? The right answer is option B, to facilitate cell signaling. Question number 15. Which cell structure regulates the movement of substances in and out of the cell? The right answer is option C, plasma membrane. Question number 16. Which organelle is responsible for breaking down with cellular waste and debris? The right answer is option B, lysosomes. Question number 17. Which of the following structures is found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells? The right answer is option B, ribosomes. Question number 18. Which organelle is responsible for the synthesis of lipids and detoxification of drugs and poisons? The right answer is option B, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 19. In animal cells, what is the primary function of cilia and flagella? The right answer is option B, cell movement and locomotion. Question number 20. Which organelle is responsible for the production of lysosomal enzymes? The right answer is option C, Golgi apparatus. Question number 21. Which of the following structures anchors the spindle fibers during mitosis? The right answer is option B, centrioles. Question number 22. What are the small finger-like projections that increase the surface area of some animal cells called? The right answer is option A, microvilli. Question number 23. What is the primary function of the spindle fibers? The right answer is option C, to separate chromosomes. Question number 24. What is the primary function of the cytoplasm? The right answer is option D, to maintain cellular homeostasis. Question number 25. Which organelle is responsible for detoxifying harmful substances? The right answer is option B, peroxisome. Question number 26. Which organelle is responsible for regulating cellular calcium levels? The right answer is option A, endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 27. What is the primary function of the Golgi apparatus? The right answer is option C, to modify proteins. Question number 28. Which protein is involved in muscle relaxation? The right answer is option D, troponin. Question number 29. Which of the following is the site of photosynthesis in plant cells? The right answer is option A, chloroplast. Question number 30. Which of the following structure is present in animal cells but absent in plant cells? The correct answer is option C, centrioles.